Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you how I play Subway Surfers. So let's get started. It's really kind of an easy game to do. I don't know what level I'm on, but I don't think it is levels, but if it were, I'd probably be like on level like 11 or 20 maybe. I don't know. I think it might be exaggerating. But it goes pretty slow the first time, like the first couple. Like if you download it, it's gonna go slow on you like the first time. So then you can like, I don't know, but it goes slow on you for like a while. So then you'll have to do more. You have to work more on your record. That scared me. I thought I was about to hit. So that's that part. So, I think I might be spelling dad. I don't know. But yeah, that's that. So this is not sponsored, but just go on there. The week is not sponsored, but wow, I almost got it. Oh, it's dodge. I'm going pretty fast now. Gotta be on track. Get it? Gotta be on track because a train track, and yeah, that wasn't funny at all. I really don't want to get in front of those car things. JNG. So this is just the fun part, I guess. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't. Oh, I just died. That's what I hate about it, though. So yeah, so I don't want to rate you, so leave me alone. Okay, guys, so that was all for this video. So I will see you next time. Bye, guys.